Hello everyone, how to open file location on Windows 10. So let's start. Go to the left hand side and click on the search icon and type here your file name. So I type here Excel tutorial. So here you can see my file is search. Simply right click on the file and here the first option open file location. And here you can see also the same option available open file location. Just click on it and here you see your file location is open in this PC documents. Okay, you just maximize this and you can check here your file. I just close these and the second way, first open File Explorer. So to open File Explorer, press shortcut key window key plus E and here you can see your File Explorer is open. So go to the right hand side and you can see the small search bar. Just enter here your file name. So I enter here my file name and here you can see my file is searched. To open file location, simply select the file and right click on the mouse and click on open file location, the second last option, and that's it. You can see the selected file location is open in this PC, C drive, user, admin, and in documents folder. Okay, so this is the way you can open file location in Windows. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.